I am logged in for the very first time, and I am looking at all the books that are available. This is really cool. What do these little stars mean?
Teacher ratings. Global teacher ratings.
Okay, so the teachers can actually rate and review different books based on how they like them or how well they work for their class.
Correct.
So it's kind of like a popularity. Well, let's grab one that's been really popular. This looks really nice. All right, so from here, I can click Start Reading, and I can start reading the book, I assume.
Hmm.
Oh, yep, there it goes. Oh, and is it broken up chapter by chapter?
Correct. In this case, they're short stories. We just call them chapters, though.
Okay. And we have, it looks like chapter audio available. If I click play, then a narrator is going to start actually reading the story to me then, right?
Yes, and then you have your volume option and your speed option if you'd like to slow it down.
Oh, and it's like a little slider, so I can slow it down if I want, or I can speed it up,
Yep.
depending on what I'm comfortable with.
Yep.
That's excellent. I'll just go on to the next chapter, say. All right, this is really nice. All right, I see here a button that says chapter questions. So what is
Mm.
that?
At the end of every chapter, for all of our readers, there is a downloadable chapter questions for the student, and it's in the form of a Word doc so that they can fill it out and submit it to their teacher either via email or LMS.
Oh, all right, so I just downloaded one so I could see what it looks like. And there it is. That's really nice. And it's all done in Microsoft Word, so it's really easy to manipulate. I can make edits to it if I want. Yeah, this is really nice. All right, close that. And if I want to go back to my book listing, where do I go?
You can either use the drop down menu in the top right, or you can click on the Flangoo logo.
Perfect. And then from there, I can click on the next. Now, I've closed that book. I was on chapter 2. If I go back, will it take me back to right where I left off?
Yes, it will. It will remember where you left off.
Oh, yeah, there it
So,
is. Continue reading, so I can continue where I was, or I could start from the beginning if I want.
mm-hmm.
All right. And I see this one right here, rate this book.
Yep. And
So I
this
click on
will,
that.
after you've read 80% of the book, you'll be able to review it. So you can notice at the bottom there it says you need to keep reading to review this book.
Oh, so I can't just go through and review books that I've never read before. I actually have to make sure that I've read at least 80%.
Exactly.
Then I can leave a rating.
Yeah, and that's just to ensure that you've, read the whole thing and you can judge it by the whole
Sure,
book.
absolutely. And it legitimizes all of the ratings and reviews there because it proves that these people have, in fact, read this book.
Yep.
Flangoo.com.